Well, dental implants are a replacement for a natural tooth. The implant itself is a little titanium bone screw. Goes into the bone. Once that heals, and I actually screw these little screws in, the bone grows around them, and then you can't unscrew them anymore. So they're in there for good. Once they've healed, then we build a tooth on top of the implant. Having a single implant done is the best way to replace a tooth. It feels the most natural. It has the best longevity. Once it's completed, if you take care of it like you take care of all your other teeth, it's going to last for years and years, and people are not going to know you have an implant. It's just going to be like another tooth.